So now we're going to move on to color, right? We talked about color theory last time. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the emotional impact that color actually has to the viewer. And this is important to note that color does have this psychological feeling, and it does give us a sense of certain things because we are trying to get messages across to the audience, right? So color can be a very, very powerful thing. So let's talk about this, right? Warm colors suggest warmth. So these are colors of fire, right? These are oranges and reds and things like that, right? Warm colors. We all have cool colors too that suggest coolness. Excuse me. These are the blues and greens, colors of water, right? Warmth and coolness. In fact, if you look at this PowerPoint, we have this kind of cool, relaxing feeling. Whereas if we had reds and oranges, it would be a little more urgent, right? Warm colors appear larger, right? In fact, if we look at this analogous photo over here down at the bottom, we have that these warm colors really stick out while these cooler colors rescind. They feel like they go away, they move backwards, right? Which is what we have going on here. And analogous colors create a sense of harmony, as you can see here going on, right? Where we have all kinds of blues and purples and stuff in here, which has this harmony. Whereas when we stick out the reds and stuff, the fire colors, which are complementary colors, they really have a sense of discord that starts to bring on to the audience. And let's talk about this, right? These emotional implications that color carry on, right? Red can mean all kinds of things. It could be hot, passion, urgent, right? It could mean stop, right? There's all kinds of feelings that red have. We have blue, can be melancholy, coolness, could be quality, tranquility, right? We got greens that can be health, nature, cheerfulness, friendliness, right? Green can also get into things like saving the planet, right? Going green, that type of thing. It can also get into things like use of cannabis, which is becoming more and more popular in our society as the laws of illegal use of cannabis products are becoming more and more laxed, and in fact getting legalized for recreational use. So this is something we're going to be watching for in the future, is the use of cannabis design as it becomes more and more legal. Purple can mean royalty, it can mean intelligence. There's also part of LGBTQ that goes with purple as well. And then we have yellow, that is a strange color. In fact, I think yellow is probably the strangest of all the colors because it's the color of the sun, right? It's a warm color. When you have a little kid drawing the sun, most of the time they choose yellow as that color. The color of light that a lot of people like to represent in drawings is yellow, right? So there's this warm feeling. But it also has a sense of cowardiceness, right? Are you afraid? You're yellow. In fact, that was a terminology that was used for a long time of yellow to mean being a coward, right? It can also mean caution, right? Look out, something might be wrong. So yellow is really, really complicated when it comes to that as far as colors go, as far as psychology goes. We have black and white, just saying that alone, right? It invokes some sort of feelings inside of you, right? We got black and white, darkness, light, right? There's all kinds of stuff that goes on with color. So it's important to think about this as you design, right? So when we look at something like this is a very fun with colors type of poster here. So what's going on, right? Juno. This is obviously about teen pregnancy, right? Because we have this woman here in a orange striped shirt, right? And then of course we have this kid right here who is in red and yellow. Red and yellow make orange, which is the baby she has in her stomach, right? So we have this orange thing, which is a combination of the two. You think that he's the father, Does he even know? Right? So this is a fun poster that has a lot of fun with color. And then, of course, we have complementary color of this green that sticks out of this orange, that really sticks out, that is really helpful for this kind of child-looking doodle type thing going on, which totally gives this feeling of teen pregnancy and kind of the cross between innocence and of course being an adult, right on the verge there. So I think this is all really laid out quite well.